The soul of man is not subject to the laws of nature as they operate in this physical world. Rather, it is animated, sustained, and governed by the operation of the great, the eternal covenant of God with man. What are the laws of nature? What is the difference when man lives according to the eternal covenant? The body of man is a captive of nature. It will act in accordance with whatever nature orders. It is, therefore, certain that sins such as anger, jealousy, dispute, covetousness, avarice, ignorance, prejudice, hatred, pride, and tyranny exist in the physical world. All these brutal qualities exist in the nature of man. When man lives in these physical virtues, he does so according to the laws of nature. The Christ sacrificed himself so that men might be freed from the imperfections of the physical nature and might become possessed of the virtues of the spiritual nature. This spiritual nature, which came into existence through the bounty of the divine reality, is the union of all perfections and appears through the breath of the Holy Spirit. It is the divine perfections. It is light, spirituality, guidance, exaltation, high aspirations, justice, love, grace, kindness to all, philanthropy, the essence of life. It is the reflection of the splendor of the Sun of Reality. When man accepts to live under the covenant, he will be able to be guided and live as a spiritual being. Man must live under the laws according to the covenant to be free from his physical nature.